Hosting or Horizons landing page tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a landing page on Hosting or Horizons. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Hostinger, you can also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Hostinger, it is a global web hosting and website building company known for providing affordable and user-friendly online hosting solutions in which it offers a wide range of services including shared hosting, cloud hosting, VPS hosting, managed WordPress hosting, and many more. And additionally, Hostinger integrates AI-powered tools like a website builder, logo generator, and automation features to help users create and manage websites quickly without advanced technical skills. So now to create an account, just click the link in the description, or you can click My Account button on the top right corner. Upon signing in, you'll automatically be directed on this page or the dashboard or homepage of Hostinger. And on the left side panel, it will show us a variety of options to navigate such as website, domains, horizons, email, reach, VPS, and many more. By clicking any of this, it will automatically show you the overview and also the feature. But since we're trying to create here a horizon landing page, I'm going to click the horizon in here. And from here, it will show us some of the frequently asked questions if you have no idea what is this Hostinger Horizons. In which basically it is an AI-powered no-code web app and website builder developed by Hostinger to help users turn ideas into fully functional digital products simply by describing them in natural language. So now let's start creating a landing page in here. All we need to do is to click Start Building button right there. Upon clicking on it, you'll automatically be directed on this page, in which all you need to do in here is to simply enter here a command or what do you want to create. And below it will show you some of the pre-made templates that you could also use as your guide in creating your own. If you're also a website, an application, and many more. Or you could also click the preview to see what it looks like and the content of it. But in here, I'm just going to enter create a landing page for my shoe business. But you could also enter more detailed information if you want to, depending on your preferences. But for this example, I'm just going to simply enter here the simple command, create a landing page for my shoe business. Upon clicking enter or clicking the button, it will automatically be directed you on this page, in which it looks like a ChatGPT, where you can start messaging the bot in here. As you can see, it is now currently thinking depending on a command that we just input. And as you can see, it is now currently asking what's the name of our shoe business and the main goal of our landing pages. I'm just going to enter here the landing page, which is to showcase shoe collection and sell products online. And after that, all you need to do is to wait for it response, in which it is pretty much quickly. The next thing that you need to do in here is to simply enter the name of our business, since it will be used throughout the landing pages. And from here, for instance, I'm going to enter the name of the business, Brickson, and upon sending on it, it will automatically show you what it looks like. But you could also add more kind of details if you want to have a minimalist style of landing pages. You can simply navigate to customizing here by simply entering here or describing what do you want to create on the landing pages. Now to do it, just click the integration on the top right corner to start now creating and click here this online store. Upon clicking on it, the next thing that you need to do is to click the connect button in order to connect our online store in here. Once done, it will automatically show you that now the algorithm is currently being prepared, and all we need to do is to wait for it to load, since it is now currently working on it. But while we were waiting for those hosting horizons creating this kind of website or landing page, it is also important to know the value of this hosting horizon, which lies in its ability on how we can transform the process of building the digital products by making it faster, simpler, and more accessible. Since traditionally creating a website or web application requires coding skills, design knowledge, and multiple tools, but Horizon removes these barriers through its AI-powered prompt-based system. And in here are some of the plans that they can offer. You have here single premium business and cloud startup plan, depending on your preferences as well upon navigating the Hostinger. But if you also want to know the Horizons plan that they offer in here by clicking under this tool section is Horizon or hosting a Horizon, it will show you in here below some of these templates that they could also offer, and even some of the plan in here. And using this Horizon, it allows users, especially beginners, students, and small business owners, to turn their ideas into a functional website or apps without needing technical expertise. And here are some of the plans that they offer for this Horizon. And also another key importance is its ability to significantly reduce development time and costs. Instead of hiring developers or spending weeks learning programming, users can generate complete projects in minutes, making it ideal for startups and entrepreneurs who need to quickly launch or test business ideas. And aside from that, it also improves productivity by automating tasks like coding, debugging, and content creation. While Horizons also promote innovation and creativity because users are not limited by technical skills, they can also experiment more freely, build prototypes quickly, and refine their ideas in real time. In which by this, it supports more agile approach to digital development. And now as you can see that it is now currently done, we can now start viewing or see the preview of this. All we need to do is to click the preview button on the top right corner in here to see what it looks like upon on the website. So we could also start editing all of this content, including this background image, the context, the logo, and many more by clicking edit content button on the top panel in here. But by just simply browsing in here some of the elements, we can start clicking edit content and start clicking here, for example, this image. It will automatically switch to editing mode, or we can delete this and replace the image in here. But if you also know how to code, you could also navigate to change the code in here by clicking the code section, and it will automatically show you all of the elements with a specific kind of code, where you can click on it and customize depending on your needs and preferences. And even you can navigate the data in here if you want to, under data dashboard. But going back in our edit content section right here, all we need to do is to simply click any of this part. For example, I'm going to click or choose to edit this home or shop. By clicking on it, it will automatically show us that we can simply enter the right context that we prefer to customize with. Also this one, and even the other kind of context in here, such as also uploading an elements, uploading an image, is pretty much easy in here by simply clicking any of this part. But to see the preview of what it looks like of these landing pages in here, as you can see, is basically what the viewers will see upon visiting the landing page. And in here, including the products that you are selling, they can start clicking on it and start shopping with this. So basically, this hosting of Horizon was important because it democratizes technology, giving more people the ability to create, launch, and manage digital solutions efficiently in today's fast-paced online environment. And overall, that is just basically how you can create a landing page on hosting or Horizons. Thank you.